Hey guys, welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue toilet paper slime. You guys seem to love my toilet paper slime videos or overall paper slime videos. And in today's video, it's going to be paper slime that requires no glue, no refrigerator, and takes less than 5 minutes to make. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last week's video is... Also, remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some new ideas. Let's get right into the video. Alright, so the ingredients you guys need to make this no glue slime recipe today is toilet paper. You guys will then need any type of soap. I'm using soft soap. You'll need a bowl or plate to make your slime in. And last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. So this recipe requires no glue and no refrigerator, so it's super easy to make. So I'm first going to get out my bowl or plate. I'm going to get adding in my soap. I love soft soap. I've used it for years. So I'm going to get adding it into my bowl. It's actually taking a little too long, so I'm just going to take off the container lid, put it in. The step is just to mix it up a little bit. You don't have to mix it up so much, but you want to get it a little bubbly. So get mixing that on up. Okay, that's like enough mixing. Now here it is. It's super bubbly, and if you touch it, it's actually not sticky. But what I want to do is I want to make it like a buttery, like great, like buttery slime texture. So I'm going to get my toilet paper. And if you've seen my no glue toilet paper slime recipes, you know what I'm doing right now. But what I'm doing is I'm going to get shredding up the paper. So I'm going to get a piece out like this and then shred it up. I'm going to go over and add it into the soap, just like that. And then I'm just going to get mixing it in together. You want to mix it in until it gets super clumpy and turns into like a slime-like texture like seen in the beginning of the video. Mixing it and mixing it in.
Wait. What the hell?
So you honestly just want to mix it together super quickly. And as you can see, it's almost coming together right now. But since it's still super watery, I'm going to add in some more paper. All I do for this recipe is really mix it up. That's all you got to do. Mix, mix, mix. Just mix and mix and mix. Okay. Here it is. Get it out of the container now. Let's see how this turned out. Ooh, look at that texture. Alright, I just took it out of the container. I'm just mixing it up and kneading it. And I actually kind of want to add a little bit of toilet paper into the actual like texture now. Because it is quite sticky, so I feel like the toilet paper might make it less sticky. It's kind of helping low-key. Okay, after mixing it for a bit now, here is the texture. There's still some clumps of toilet paper in here, as you can tell. But this turned out so great. I'm honestly so happy with how this turned out, and I'm so like shocked how amazing it is. This took around 5 minutes to make, so exactly like I said. It's just such a great texture. It's so like fluffy and buttery, and I just can't believe this was made out of toilet paper and soap. You can see it made my countertop pretty messy just from making it, but that's okay. But this was so great. I really hope you guys try out this recipe. I love making brand new no glue slime recipes, especially ones that require no refrigerator. So please let me know in the comments down below what other recipes you'd like to see and what other videos from me you'd like to see. Would you want to see more fidget videos, more squishy videos? Let me know. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video today, and I really hope you guys try out this recipe. Remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some new ideas. Also, remember to check out all my social medias. They will be linked down below, like my TikTok and Instagram. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, and remember, thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye!